Alright, general walkthrough of how to fire up the coach in bus 42. You don't need the keys. That is an unnecessary thing. First thing you want to do is set the coach battery to use. That's going to fire up that. You flip the button for the generator forward. Give it about 15 seconds or so and it should fire up. There it goes. You're going to see this go into charge mode. Once that gets above 13 volts, come over here, fire up the inverter. It's going to go through its self-test. Now, that will bring power to the back. You can come through, you can turn on all of your lights. That'll fire up everything, that'll fire up the TVs except for the two on the sides. You have to get the remote for those. It'll fire up the one in the back, fire up the laser lights, everything like that. Make sure everything is good. Come back up here. Make sure your voltage is holding steady and everything is good to go. Now, to shut it down, you just go in the reverser. Turn the inverter off. Come up here, push this to store. That kills everything in the back. That drops your amperage load to 0. You don't want to be turning the generator off with any sort of load on it. It's going to read error. There you go. 0 amps, and your voltage should read error. Yeah, maybe not. Oh, generator's still on, so it's not going to read error. But you want to make sure the amp load is at 0. You don't want to be turning the generator off with any sort of a load on it at all. So as long as it's going to cycle through the voltage, as long as it says 0 amps, you're good. Come here, you flip this forward. 5 seconds, it shuts down. There you go. Your voltage is going to drop. And it's going to say error. You're good to, bus is completely shut down. You are good to go.